Oh,
Also, I beg to mention item number 29 here also. This matter to be listed after 1 week.
why?
Here also, the council, leading council is AAG and Ratan here also.
My lord, I will also not be available. In fact, Mr. Ratan went to attend a kabang, family kabang. My lord, then I also have to go after the possible matter.
So
So I may
we'll be expecting some proceedings in that command also. As agreed to by the Learned Council for the parties, item number 29. Registry to list this matter for hearing after when?
2 weeks now.
After 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by.
My lord,
Governance here also.
item number 11, my lord, is going after the Boston matter or something. This also after 2 weeks.
Something is left here. No?
I don't think so, but I will take instructions, my lord.
Oh.
I don't think so.
We'll have it next week.
Man.
On the prayer of Mr. D. Pangi, Learned Council appearing for the respondents, not objected to by the Learned Council for the Learned Council for the Mr. D. Pani, Learned Council for the respondent submits that on account of some personal inconvenience, he is required to leave the court. Accordingly, he submits that the matter be adjourned for the day. Prayer is not objected to by the Learned Council for the respondent. The registry to this matter again. After a week, comes it.
Item 14, my lord, can it be taken up next Thursday? 14.
It's that pay scale.
Pay parity.
You are claiming pay parity with the secretariat employee,
Yes.
superintendent.
Yes. Earlier,
And
we had-
earlier there was a
Yes.
parity maintained, but
Yes.
from the fifth pay commission, they started.
There is only because of the
But
change in the
one thing you have not highlighted, that the work involved of the superintendents in the district court, because you are also in the district level
Yes.
posts also, is similar to that which is there in the secretariat. It cannot be.
Works are not same. Earlier we were regulated-
Nature of status, there are three principles: status, duties,
Yes,
responsibilities.
there are.
You can't say that a status of a LDA in the
But-
secretariat and a LDA in a DC office would be the same.
That is there, but the
Because the same
that,
very,
that I may have to highlight. In
You-
fact, I will
have
show,
to.
my lord, that with difficulties, my lord, they are from all different directorates. That is the difficulty.
no, directorates are one class as a whole. District level is one class as a whole, and the secretariat is a different class as a whole. Now, if you have to drop parity, you will have to show that the responsibility is shouldered by a LDA or a UDA, a junior assistant, senior assistant, in the secretariat and in the district office are the same. It may be because I have not found a statement to that effect in your writ petition.
I also don't recall exactly now.
You just
Just
check
my
it.
lord, my lord will grant me some time, my lord.
Okay.
Maybe I will
As
bring it by way of
agreed
an-
to by the Learned Council for the parties, registry to item number 14. List this matter again after
3 weeks, my
3
lord. In the
weeks
meantime, I will.
on a
find
date
reply.
to be fixed by. Just check up.
Yes, yes, I will.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 7 and 8, my lord. Yeah, just affidavit is ready, my lord. Just
Let it come. Your affidavit is, you are filing it today.
My lord, it's ready, my lord.
You file it. I just want to know. What is your stand in the affidavit?
My lord, there's a large scale, my lord, the illegal,
Appeal Gaon.
my lord,
Appeal Gaon.
my lord.
Let the petitioner come.
My
We'll
lord.
see. Just want to know.
My lord.
My lord, I beg to mention election petition 10 of 2024, and this matter is supposed to be listed on for this 20th of this month, but due to some technical issue, it could not be listed. So I pray for listed for Monday.
10, no. It was all listed, I think, in the after 12 or 13.
Now, earlier last posting date 22 April 2025, and it was supposed to be listed 20th of this month, but due to some technical problem.
We'll have it. I'll have it there. We'll have it on the week commencing from 12th. Any date you pick. From the week commencing from 9th. 9th. Week commencing from 9th. Because the records are not brought because I did not know. So this is coming up. So from 9th, any date you give, inform God. You are for the petition.
I put a petition.
Okay.
Please, my lord. My lord, I beg to mention an unlisted AV, my lord, to be listed.
May I, my lord? My lord, I beg to mention item number 15 of today's issue also. My lord, leading counsel is unable to attend court today due to his vehicle is stopped in Assam while he was come from Assam.
You are for
I'm a case.
in item number 15.
Yes, sir. I'm for
Amicus for the,
victim.
but here this the charge sheet has been filed, trial is on. Why should we come in now? There is a later Supreme Court decision also. Who is the leading counsel?
MK Singh, your lordship.
A prayer is made on item number 15. A prayer is made on behalf of Mr. M. Singh, learned counsel for the petitioner for an adjournment in the matter on account of certain personal inconvenience. Mr. U. Borik,
Yes.
learned counsel, learned legal counsel appearing for the informant.
The
Informant?
victim.
Is present. So in view of the above, raised it to list this matters again after 2 weeks on a date to fix.
Deeply honored.
Hmm.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 10 for adjournment.
Why?
Your Lordship, leading counsel is out of station for medical purpose. So
Leading counsel is who?
T Topu,
Prayer is made on behalf of Mr. T. Tofu, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner for an adjournment in the matter on the ground that he is out of station on account of for receiving medical attention. Full stop. Prayer accordingly raised it to list this matters after 3 weeks on a date to fix by. Your name?
SNT.
Yes. Inti. Heard Mr. S. Inti, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Ms. T. J. Learned, additional public prosecutor appearing for the state respondent. The present bail application has been instituted by invoking the provisions of section 483 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, praying for enlarging the accused Sri Akash Ali on bail in connection with Itanagar. ITA means Itanagar. ITA? Full form?
Yes, Itanagar, Your Lordship.
Itanagar Police Station bracketed woman police station case number 1/2025 under section 70 bracketed 2/137 bracketed 2/127 bracketed 3 of the BNS 2023 read with section 6 of the POSCO Act 2012. Full stop. Issue notice call for the charge sheet has been filed here.
Yes, Your Lordship, it's in.
Call for the scanned copy of the trial court records. Full stop. Raised it up. Call for the scanned copy of the trial court records. Full stop. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon the victim, that is the respondent number 2, by through the jurisdictional police station by routing the same through the office of the public prosecutor, Guwahati High Court, Itanagar bench. Steps within 2 days, 2 working days from today. Raised it to list this matter again after
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks.
Lordship, please, Lordship, a short date may be given.
2 weeks minimum.
Much obliged.
Where is Mr. Kato?
Yes,
Yes,
my
what-
brother will appear on
Okay.
behalf of the GST.
Okay. Yes, what is your stand here?
Lordship, actually, there is no requirement of this pre-arrest bail application. Since before, this is only summon. And once they comply, that's only. And subsequently, if suppose to arrest anyone, the 132 need to be invoked. And subsequently, after 132, 69 to be invoked. So there's long procedure. Just
You mean to say that till now, you have not invoked 132?
Yes.
You have not issued a notice under section 69.
yes,
Right.
yes, Lordship. So there's no requirement of this.
We'll record that.
Yes, that may be recorded.
Yes.
But
Your name?
yeah, under section 69, Lordship, there is no provision of
You
issuing.
come back.
Yes,
There is
that's
a-
why.
Yes, what is your name?
T Kipa, Tanya Kipa.
T. Kipa Learned. Standing Council, GST.
Yes, Lordship.
Submits on instruction that that against the petitioner in the present proceeding, no proceedings under section 132 of the CGST Act.
Yes, Lordship.
CGST Act 2017 has been initiated till date. Accordingly, no notice under section 69
9.
has also been issued to the informant. Accordingly, he submits that the apprehension expressed by the petitioner in the present bail application is without any basis. Full stop. In view of the above submissions, Mr.
Yeah, Lord.
K. Lodha, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner, submits that this court may pass appropriate directions, appropriate orders in the matter. Full stop. In view of the categorical contention made by the Learned Standing Council GST before this court, and as noticed herein above, this court is of the considered view that there being no reasonable apprehension of detention of the petitioner by the GST authorities, this petition at this stage would not be maintainable, and accordingly the same stands closed. However, liberty is granted to the petitioner to refile the same in the event, if the occasion so arises.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Because without a 132 proceeding, they can't
Yes, Lordship.
proceed on air. Okay. Understood.
Deeply.
Deeply.
Wait, please, Your Lordship.
You have one promotion to which post?
Executive Engineer.
Executive. Read your prayer.
My lord.
Read your prayer. Especially prayer number 3. C. And
Oh, my lord.
internal.
This is typographical mistake. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my lord. I will correct it, but my lord has understood, my lord, from the reading of the.
Yes, Mr. Tarak, what
How
is
can they do this?
Let notice.
notice is
Notice,
okay, but you make this.
Yes.
Mr. D. Punning at the outset submits that on account of a typographical error occasioning in the prayer portion of the petition, the words assistant engineer in prayer number 3 C has been incorporated in C in place of executive engineer. Full stop. He further submits that in the interim prayer also, the words assistant engineer as incorporated was so incorporated on account of a inadvertent typographical error, and the same is to be considered as executive engineer. Mr. Punning is permitted to make the necessary corrections in the prayer portion of the petition
By filing,
by filing an
corrected.
corrected copy of the prayer position. By making by filing an IA, bringing
Yes,
on record
yes,
the corrected portion
yes.
of the prayer push. However, for the purpose of considering the petition, this court would deem that the such application be filed within a period of 1 week from today.
I'll file by Monday.
1 week, I said. Push. However, this court would consider the prayer of the petitioner to be so made for promotion to the post of executive engineer, not assistant engineer. Heard Mr. D. Panik, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. D. Tarak, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondents for the Standing Council, Rural Works Department. Issue notice returnable 4 weeks. Also, Mr. Tarak accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1, 2, 3, 4.
4 is chief secretary.
Departmental for DPC, ma'am.
DPC, oh, it's by Chief Secretary.
Oh, okay.
It will be different.
The government should accept it, my lord. I started copy yesterday, they did not accept it. I don't know why.
Ms. Pangu can accept it. Chief Secretary. But this is a departmental thing,
Yeah,
okay?
DPC.
Why
I
did you
don't
write
know.
Chief Engineer? Chief Secretary is only a nominated chief, but
He's the chairman of the.
only the chairman, but the thing is done by the department
Yes.
only. You accept it.
Ah,
Four.
ठीक है.
Mr. Tarak, 4. No formal notice is to be issued. However, requisite extra copies of the writ petition be furnished to Mr. J. Tara, Learned Standing Council, Rural Works Department. Full stop. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 5, 6, 7, and 8 by way of a registered post with AD as well as by way of dusty mode. Full stop. In the event their notices are served by way of dusty mode, comma, the petitioner to file an affidavit after effecting such service. Full stop. Third, the Learned Council for the parties on the interim relief prayed for. Issue notice on the interim relief so prayed for in the present proceedings. Full stop. In the meanwhile, full stop, pending consideration of the interim prayer, it is provided that the departmental authorities shall not convene any departmental promotion committee meeting, shall not effect promotion from the cadre of assistant engineer to that of executive engineer in the rural works department. Full stop. However, the departmental authorities are not prevented from processing the matter and considering the cases of the eligible persons in the zone of consideration, only restriction being to not issue any order of promotion to the post of executive engineer till the next returnable date.
Returnable within my lord.
4 weeks, na? 4 weeks. 4 weeks. You find that next week.
Yes, sir. I find it Monday.
My lord, in this writ petition, I'm aggrieved by the inordinate delay.
Mr. Nabam, you have a state scrutiny committee here in terms of Madhuri Patel.
Madhuri Patel, yes, my lord, there should be, my lord, yes.
So why is this man being hanged like this?
My lord, for that, I took the instruction, my lord. After
Because
that, Kumari Madhuri Patel, my lord,
no other body is empowered to determine his status
except that high power committee.
except that high power committee. And I have not found, your case has never been placed before the high power committee, Mr. Patel.
No, my lord.
Mr. R.H. Namam, Learned Additional Advocate General, submits that he be granted 2 days, two days time to receive instruction as to whether a high power committee in terms of the decisions of the Supreme Court for determination of the caste status of a person is being constituted and operational
Madam.
in the state of Arunachal Pradesh.
Madam.
Registered to list this matter again on Tuesday.
Tuesday, my lord.
Much obliged, my lord.
Because it's, Mr. Patel, you read Madhuri Patel, 91. That says if there is any doubt, the matter has to go before a,
High power committee.
because it will require an anthropological examination.
My lord, there's no doubt as such, my lord. This is only because of complaint which was,
Complaint is there for last 14 years, nothing has happened.
yes, my lord.
If it goes before the state scrutiny committee, it will take you hardly a month or two.
My
Your
lord,
case
because,
has been just been not placed in the correct column.
because all of the documents which have been,
We cannot decide.
yes, my lord.
This court does not have the expertise to decide, nor any other authority. Supreme Court is very clear, it is only by the high power.
No, my lord, we're not going to the merits, my lord. We're just seeking an order.
I
as
know
to
you are
digest
seeking,
Sanjay.
you are
No.
directing, if I
Sanjay
direct
Thakur.
the deputy commissioner or the secretary, that is not going to be proper course of direction. Supreme Court says direction is only to the high power committee. Madhuri Patel's case, okay? And it has been consistently being followed. You check up that judgment. You get that decision.
Yeah.
And if it is there, we will put it and we'll say within a particular period of time, you will have to.
Much obliged.
Item number 3, your lordship has made a direction also to serve dusty.
No.
The private respondents are posted in far different areas.
Dusty
Petitioner is the lady, my lord.
Dusty का है जो affidavit. Now, one thing, once this amendments have taken, yes,
Yeah, oh, my lord, I'm so sorry, my one of my younger was appearing in this. Well, this has to be adjourned because I have not laid my
On the
hand.
prayer of the Learned Council for the petitioner. This is a very rare prayer from Mr. Tara. On the prayer of on the prayer made by the Learned Council for the petitioner for an adjournment in the matter on account of personal inconvenience, not objected to by Mr. S. Sai, Learned Council appearing for the respondents, registered to this matters again after 2 weeks on a date.
And
But Mr.
fifth.
One thing, Mr. Tara, there was a Kabang decision.
Correct.
You allowed it to attain its finality. Then a execution petition was filed. That execution petition, I don't know why, the deputy commissioner forwarded it to the district authorities. Now, there are two cases, one against the ex parte decision and two against the,
Yes.
yeah, there. Yes, what is there?
My lord. My lord, this, I am against this ex parte, my lord,
I know that,
condition.
but why after such long duration?
My lord,
Now, if you have agreed by the ex parte decision,
My lord.
in terms of the amendment, you have a scope to file an appeal before the learned civil judge, junior or senior division.
there was a condition, my lord, in the Kabang order,
What?
that I can recall the Kabang within 15 days, my lord.
You have not done it.
Yes, I have done it. my lord.
Hmm?
Yes, my lord. My lord, please come to my
Then
lord.
you see, okay, if it is not followed,
Yes, my lord.
then you go before the civil judge, senior division.
My
Fine.
lord, he has the authority, but he is not exercising the authority.
Who?
Has the village authority, my lord.
Village authority need not. Why should be direct? If there is an order, it's not been complied with. Fine, if you agree, you file a appeal. What do you say, Mr. Ben?
Yes, that's.
Examine. 2 weeks.
Well-
Order रहेगा. Examine.
Well,
Because this case is not meant to be.
my lord, see the judgment, my lord.
Yeah.
One page judgment, my lord. One
I've
page
seen it.
decree, my lord.
I've seen it.
No evidence, nothing, my lord.
Yes.
Honestly.
One thing you clarify,
Yes, my lord.
I'll not even hear, Mr.
Yes,
In 21, you get page 24 order.
yes,
Huh?
yes,
You say it is regularization,
yes,
but it's a fresh appointment on compassionate grounds.
yes, my lord.
Show me.
My lord. Well, that's the
Because
whole,
the person who is issuing that order,
yes.
we have seen.
That's the whole problem, my lord. There
You
might,
show me how it is compassion. All the 3 cases, it is compassionate grounds. Just satisfy.
that's my lord, lordship. Kindly appreciate, my lord. We 3 of us were in the top list to get regularized by any means,
Okay,
my lord.
where is that policy decision of the government?
Yes, my lord.
That there will be regularization after
Yes, yes,
contractual appointment?
yes,
Where?
yes. Lordship, kindly. Marat, page 21. Year-wise batch, man, on seniority basis. And we are in top 3, man. There was no occasion for us to, man, enter into this kind of
What is
manner.
your stand, Mr. Town?
My lord, my lord, the report that has not been forwarded to the authority, my lord, the state level, my lord.
Which one?
Uh,
Page 23.
yes, my lord.
But how can they be regularized? How can they be freshly appointed on compassionate grounds when there is nothing? And the second paragraph is again deadly for you.
Manad,
Second paragraph of
Yes.
page 24. And are there still Sarva Shiksha Abhijan employees working on contractual basis?
Yes, my lord, still there.
And do you dispute this page 20 order?
20 part, my lord, 23, my lord.
No, page 20.
So,
20.
Page 20, my lord, it's not dispute, my lord.
It's not disputed.
My lord,
Put them back as, what do you call that?
SSA teachers.
As SSA teachers, and then consider their cases in accordance with the policy.
Yes, ma'am.
that-
We will not interfere. We'll interfere with this to the extent only that you will not be thrown out of from service,
Yes, ma'am.
but you will be put back as contractual,
Yes,
not
ma'am.
regular.
Yes.
When are you filing your affidavit? Today?
my lord,
Are you filing an affidavit today?
my lord, my lord, it will take, my lord, within, my lord, few days, my lord. Because up to,
Tuesday? By Tuesday?
my lord.
Can you file it by Tuesday?
My lord, we can.
We'll have it on Wednesday. We'll dispose it of. Why keep it pending?
My lord, this can be, in that way, my lord, it can be,
No, I want your stand also. But this is the order,
my lord, my lord,
okay?
my lord.
As agreed to by the Learned Council for the parties, the registry to list this matter again on Thursday, next Thursday, for further hearing. All the three. 7, 8, 9. But Mr. Tafo, this would be the order.
My lord.
And or you get me a written instruction that the initial appointment is not disputed
My lord.
as SSA.
My lord.
Huh? I'll pass that on.
9 is different, madam.
Huh?
9 is different, madam.
Right?
Yes.
Which?
9 is different, madam. It's different.
Nine
Line.
is different. 9 is
Yeah.
different. 7 and 8.
Yes. Yes, but here, madam, the government has not yet filed affidavit, madam.
Your
Here,
government has filed affidavit. Affidavit filed.
they have not been served.
Affidavit ka file.
No.
Yes,
Without-
there is an
without-
affidavit.
Without serving,
And,
it's very big.
Everything is said to be bogus
Madam,
on behalf of A. Menso Advocate. Copy was received 25/4.
Long time, madam. Even then, I've given the extra copy.
madam, sometimes they serve to the clerk and all that, madam. Definitely. I'll go through it, madam. It may be fixed next week, madam.
No rush. There is no interim order.
No.
Your land possession certificate is projected for some other land.
Correct. And eviction was carried against the husband's marital area, madam, not the wife.
Mr. P. Tafo, Learned Counsel for the, Mr. P. Tafo, Learned Counsel for the petition, and Mr. N. Nama, Learned Additional Advocate General appearing for the respondent. Tafo, petitioners. Oh, sorry. It is submitted by Mr. P. Tafo that the affidavit filed by the respondent number 2 and 3 has not been received by him. Oh, sorry. Mr. Nama submits that a copy of the same shall be furnished to the Learned Counsel for the petitioner by his office within the,
I have
during the
given,
course of the
I have given already, my lord.
during the course of the day. So accordingly, registry to list this matter again on 11/6/2020.
Obliged.
File a reply if required.
Yes. This is this one matter, madam. May I pray the matter may be disposed of, madam.
Why disposed of?
Madam, after undergone for more than 4 months, madam. The
You
petition.
are therefore in both the cases.
Yes, madam.
In one case, juvenile.
In both the cases, madam.
Okay, one case, that case, but Mr. Kato,
Madam,
this is verification.
verification, madam.
This is the first time that the department gets an opportunity to judge your
True, madam.
character.
But madam, there is
Why
a,
suppress?
madam, there is a embargo, madam, wherein, madam, that such, madam, even informations cannot be furnished, madam. That is one thing, madam.
It's different.
And
That
another-
is not be furnished from that organization. It does not say that you should not place it in the
True, madam.
verification rule. There is a clear-cut question asked.
Madam.
And Supreme Court latest decision is against you.
Madam, that's part of, madam, one judgment, madam, I have given in all, madam, the affidavit in reply also, madam. In Lokesh Kumar case, madam. Recently, madam, the Supreme Court has held that, madam. Madam, that,
What it has said?
madam,
That is not with regard in this question.
madam.
This is to understand your character and antecedents.
Madam, at that
They
relevant,
are at liberty to ask you that.
madam.
You have not disclosed that. Why?
Yes. Madam, this
You
was-
should have given an exam. You could have said No, because this, I was a juvenile at that point of time and this cannot be taken.
True. Yes.
Let, if thereafter they had proceeded against you, we would have been with you.
True, man. So, Malad, I may be allowed to file a rejoinder.
Now you don't want a disposal.
Malad,
Mr. M. Kato, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. ये आपका दोनों order मार दीजिएगा same. Item number 12 and 13 में. Mr. Kato appearing for the petitioner submits that he be 2 weeks time to bring on for the rejoinder to the rejoinder on behalf of the petitioner to the affidavit filed by the respondents. Prayer is not objected to by Mr. S. Tapit, Learned Senior Government Advocate appearing for the respondent. Accordingly, raised to list this matter again after 2 weeks along with WPC number 25 AP 2025. 25 AP में सब सेम होगा, खाली लिखना है along with 6112 AP 2024. Okay.
Malad, in one second item, Malad, from the record, affidavit in reply has been filed. Malad.
Oh, okay. खाली first case में, second case में खाली लिखिएगा, मैंने इसमें
Along with
25, which is the second one?
Malad, item number 13, man.
612. 612 में लिखिए list after 2 weeks along with WPC number 25 AP 2025. Okay.
Leave the
Lordship, we have received this case citing this.
What is that?
Lordship, as per, there is no objection from the IO. However, even in this, going through the statement of the victim as well as accused, there is no prima facie case against the accused, Your Lordship.
No prima facie case against it.
Yes.
Oh, that case. Well,
Yes.
when were you arrested?
On 7/4/2025.
So it will result in FR.
It's in the, we are just waiting for the CFSL report, Your Lordship.
Heard Mr.
T. Tagbu.
T. Tagu, Learned Counsel for the petition, also heard Ms. D. Jenny, Learned Counsel, Additional Public Prosecutor appearing for the state respondents. Also, the present application has been instituted by the applicant praying for invoking the provisions of section 483 of the BNSS 2023, praying for enlarging the accused person, namely Pegmir Lord on bail in connection with Itanagar woman PS case number 13 of the 2025, under section 64 bracketed 1 oblique 127 bracketed 2 of the BNS 2023. The accused was arrested in connection with the said case on 7/4/2025 and has been there above the post. I have Ms. Ginny has placed before this court the case diary, and on perusal of the same, it is seen that the case investigation of the case has substantially progressed, and presently the case is awaiting. The investigating officer is awaiting the CFSL report before proceeding further
Yes.
in the matter. So accordingly, this court is of the considered view that further custodial interrogation of the petitioner would not be mandated, and accordingly, he is entitled to be enlarged on bail. बाकी वो conditions जो होता है 20,000 with one surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the
The investigation officer, Your Lordship.
to the satisfaction of the investigating officer. No, he is under jail.
Oh, yes,
PA.
I deeply apologize, Your Lordship. Before the concerned magistrate, Your Lordship.
Who
This is the
is-
CGM, Your Lordship,
CGM, which
Yes.
place?
of
It's
Itanagar, UPI, Your Lordship.
satisfaction of the Chief Judicial Magistrate, EPA. A condition? he will cooperate, not hamper temper. तीन लगा के छोड़ दिया.
Deeply.
Much obliged.
You have recorded your statement.
Lordship, I went there, but IO is on leave.
Okay. You have got the case diary.
No.
It is submitted. Why? Something
I
Yeah. On leave.
Yes, Lordship.
It is submitted by Mr. D. Lalit, PP appearing for the Lalit PP that he be granted further 2 weeks time
Yes.
for receiving the case diary for phrasing the case diary in the matter. So prayer is accepted. Raised it to list this matter again after 2 weeks, again on 16/6/2025. Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date.
Deeply obliged. Yes.
Same order कर दीजिएगा. Here also there is interim.
Yes. Deeply obliged.
Nineteen क्या हुआ?
19.
I don't know 19.
My lord, I am appearing for a petitioner. My lord. Service report regarding
Oh, come on, 13.
1314.
You, what is your case?
My lord, I may be allowed to paper publication. My lord.
No, forget paper. What is your case on merits? Page 51 is your order. Right? Madam, you are appearing for the estate.
Yes, Lordship.
Page 51 is your order. That is the approval given for one-time relaxation.
Yes, my lord.
And that was to take effect from 4/4. You are appearing for?
I am appearing on behalf of NPADA, Standing Council for Tourism Department.
Oh, sit down. Uh,
Your Lordship, I'm appearing for only 2 years.
Okay, this was to take effect from 4/4/2013. Now, that is the governmental decision. Now, when the matter was done, you were regularized from the date of your initial entry. How? That is not permissible. If that goes, I don't find any error in the promotion of the private respondents. If that be so, why should we keep this matter pending? Yes, madam.
Here, Your Lordship, I am for respondent number 2, Chief Secretary, Your Lordship. For tourism, Your Lordship.
He is appearing. You are, anybody leading you in this matter? Or you are the leading counsel?
I am M. Doji, my lord. D. Pangin is the leading counsel, my lord.
D.
D. Pangin, my lord.
D. Panning.
Pangin, my lord. D. Pangin.
Pardon
D. Pangin. D. Pangin, my lord. Dicky Pangin, my lord.
Petitioner to take, seen the office note dated 29/5/2025. Service of notice upon respondent number 13 and 14 is awaited. For some petitioner to take take first steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 13 and 14 by way of dusty mode. Will do. Paper publication not required. Do dusty.
Yes, ma'am.
By way of dusty mode. Steps within a week from today. Full stop. Petitioner to file an affidavit upon after survey affecting service upon respondent number 13, 14 by way of dusty. By way of dusty mode. Full stop. Raised it to list this matter again after the steps be completed within a period of 2 weeks from today. Petitioner is raised it to list this matter again on (17/6) 2020. You, if it comes back before me next time, I'm dismissing it.
Yes, my lord.
In the office note dated 28/5/2025, service of notice upon respondent number 1 is not complete. It is seen that the petition, that notice upon respondent number 1 was issued on 29/2024. Accordingly, petitioner is directed to take fresh steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 1 by registered post with AD, as well as by usual process within a period of 3 working days from today.
Lordship, may I pray that it may be through, repeatedly I have been taken a step, but it is not complied.
You do one thing, you take this thing, take
through-
this thing.
Through dusty service.
Full stop, एक काम दो. वो खाली उतना तक रहेगा, वो आगे वाला नोट. Accordingly जो बोला है उसमें से full stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that appellate submits that he be permitted to take service to take service upon the to effect service upon the respondent, sole respondent, by respondent number 1 by way of dusty. Full stop. Prayer accepted. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 1 by way of dusty routed through the registry of this court. Upon effecting such service, the petitioner shall file an affidavit in the matter. Such a service upon the respondent number 1 by dusty would be effected within a period of 2 weeks from today. The registry to list this matter again after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by.
All right.
Lordship, I need some more time to file affidavit on behalf of respondent number 11, Your Lordship. On the last occasion, respondent number 11 has been impleaded as party, respondent, Your Lordship, 11 as party in this matter.
I have already submitted the respondent number 11 as a.
Today only, Your Lordship, I have received the
Title.
amended cost title. Today only I have received, Your Lordship. So some time may be given, Your Lordship.
You are entering appearance on behalf of.
Yes, yes.
The petitioner has filed an amended cost title and has incorporated the name of the respondent number 11.
11.
Therein, post of Miss So and so learned counsel appears for the respondent number 11. Accordingly, no formal notice is required to be issued.
Lordship.
Post of she submits that she be granted
2 weeks.
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks,
I
ma'am.
have to communicate, Your Lordship. 2 weeks
2
won't
weeks.
be sufficient, Your Lordship.
2 weeks for completion of her instructions. So registry to list this matter again after 2 weeks. For it has been admitted.
It was came on admission hearing, but later on.
For,
No, it's
for-
an order
for-
stage, Lordship, not a.
For admission, huh? After 2 weeks, bola na? After 2 weeks, huh?
Obligement.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Hmm.
Steps on service on respondent is awaited.
Notices were issued on 7/2. Okay. See the office note dated 29/5/2025. Service upon respondent number 3 is not complete. So accordingly, registry to await completion of service upon respondent number 3 for further 2 more weeks. Interim order, there is an interim order?
Lordship, there is still disposal of the case.
Okay, fine.
Obliged.
You remain,
He's also not interested in
Huh?
coming. The other person is also not interested.
you remain because
Yeah.
the order,
Yes,
the nature the order is passed.
yes.
It has been passed exercising the power, equity court power, 226 power. I'm not interfering with that.
Lordship, obliged.
Here, I may be given one more chance for the service, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, one more chance for the service, my lord.
You satisfy me.
My lord, my case.
Your case is very simple.
Yes, my lord.
There was an advertisement, there was a recruitment.
Yes, my lord.
You could not participate in the recruitment exercise
Yes, my lord.
because that was not given publicity.
Yes, my lord.
One, first and foremost, you come to your annexure 2, page 24. This is the advertisement which was not published.
Yes, my lord.
Huh?
Yes,
Where
ma'am.
did you get this copy?
My lord, this copy is got from the office only, my
When?
lord.
Where have you written that you got this copy after the recruitment process?
That, my lord, I have not-
It's not there.
Yes, my lord.
2, you participated in the selection process.
My lord, that is not true, my lord.
Huh?
That is the contention by the department, my lord. But
No, the department has categorically said that man will be in trouble if that is wrong.
so, my lord, so let the department come with affidavit that I am the same person who participated in examination.
Besides that, petitioner T. Mara had applied for the post of skill contingency and appeared in the interview. Serial number 11, there is no question of depriving. Yes, madam. You're this deputy commissioner, how is he writing this?
Your Lordship, we are yet to receive our instruction.
Why did you receive this then? This letter?
Or maybe, Your Lordship,
My lord,
conducting counsel is Miss Ajit, Your Lordship. She is not here, Your Lordship.
Where is she?
She is having some personal difficulty, Your Lordship. She is not here today.
You are paying for the deputy commissioner.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Huh? You are paying for the deputy commissioner.
Yes, I'm appearing on her behalf, Your Lordship. Ajit.
Okay. On the next date of listing, Miss P. Sangita,
Yes, Your Lordship.
learned government advocate, appearing for the deputy commissioner, Upper Subansiri district, shall receive instructions as to the basis on which the deputy commissioner, via communication dated 29/10/2024, had contended that the petitioner herein had applied for the post of skill contingency in pursuance to the advertisement dated 1/10/2024 and had appeared in the interview held for the same post of. The learned counsel shall receive, the deputy commissioner shall clarify the said position basing on the documents available in the matter. Post of such instructions be furnished to Ms. P. Sangita, learned government advocate by the deputy commissioner, Upper Subansiri district, on or before 4/6/2025. Registry to list this
Your
matter
Lordship,
again
Your
on
Lordship, 4 will be too short, Your Lordship, because the approach is quite
very far.
far, Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship.
6, my lord, is
There is no
6.
electricity there.
No, my lord, it's
Electricity
available,
clear,
my
Your
lord.
Lordship.
They have your scanners and all.
It's available, my lord.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Get it down scanner.
Your Lordship, 5.
Otherwise, I'm getting this man on Friday.
5.
This is wrong. He'll have to justify. Because his categorical case is, he has not appeared. You say, the deputy commissioner says that he had appeared and his roll number was also given.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if the deputy commissioner is misrepresenting, he'll be in trouble. If the petitioner has made a misrepresentation, don't worry, 50,000 minimum cost. I want to know that. That's the only issue. Why keep this file pending? We'll have to clear our backlog also here. Too much files.
Your Lordship, 5, Your Lordship.
No, 4.
Obliged.
4 and 5th, I'm having this matter. And if not, tell your deputy commissioner, he'll be here on 6th. If the
Obliged.
instructions are not forthcoming.
All right.
Lordship, this, I inadvertently in the main petition, I did not.
We have already passed
Yes,
an order.
Yes,
We'll consider this along with after the Records Act.
Yes, notice may be issued for interim order, Lordship. That is why. I have. filed this
IA
interlocutor-
46 AP 2025.
Yes. Notice.
Heard Mr. T.
notice-
Tapak, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. D. Lloyd,
In otherwise,
Learned Public Prosecutor. Huh?
in otherwise also, Lordship, there is no wrong in issuing the notice to the accused, Lordship.
Not the accused.
Not
It
the
is,
accused.
it is to the state.
So and so. Issue notice, returnable 4 weeks. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by way of registered post with AD. Also by usual process, steps be taken within 3 working days from today. Also, एक काम करना खाली उसका ऊपर में लिखना, Mr. D. Lloyd, accepts notice
Consideration
on
of
behalf
interim
of
order, Lordship.
respondent number 1.
On the next date, please.
List this matter again after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry along with criminal petition number 110 AP 2025. We have already issued a notice in the criminal petition. You can see.
Definitely.
Two 279 and 304 capital A.
Will not,
That caused by
will
negligence.
not close it. Seen the office note dated 29/5/2025. The trial court records have not been received. Registry to issue reminder for the same. Accordingly, registry to list this matter after 4 weeks. Along with the trial court record, the scan copy of the trial court records.
Obligors.
Yes, your lordship, the lower court reports have come.
But it was not reflected in
Not
first list.
reflected. That's why I missed out. It is seen that the trial court records, scan copy of the trial court records have been received accordingly. The registry to list the present criminal petition.
Monday,
Petition for admission after 1 week. After a week.
On a 10 years old case, and then my brother Tagum is on leg in court number 1.
Well, that NPA. Non-practicing allowance and all.
No, my lord. It is, the issue is different. My lord, what had happened in this case is the respondent number 1, initial entry was GDMO, and thereafter he has done his specialization in anesthesia, and thereafter he went to a separate cadre. And thereafter, of his own volition, he came back. The seniority was to be decided. My lord, this,
But are you still in service?
yes, except for petitioner number 1, rest are still there. Well, this definition of cadre, that Pushparani judgment will also come into play, Lord.
Heard Mr. T. Tara, Learned Counsel for the
My
petition,
lord, pass over for time.
who has made his submissions in the matter. However, a prayer is made on behalf of the respondents for an adjournment on the ground that Mr. Nabam is on legs in a matter in another court. Prayer accepted, registry to list this matter again on
Tagum.
Tuesday.
Taba Tagum.
Tabatam. Registry to raise this matter again on Tuesday for further hearing.
Grateful.
T02 10 years, is it before the single judge?
Yes, Lordship. Lordship,
Petition,
10-year punishment only.
Huh?
10-year
Up to-
punishment.
10
10 years.
years,
Yes,
single judge.
yes, Lordship. My lord, this is jailable. My lord, during the framing of charges, this convict has admitted the commission of offense
Hmm.
of
That he had hit
but
her,
but he
hit her.
hit her, but
But
he denied Your Honor intention, Your Honor, to kill her.
he killed her, denied the intention. That is why the learned trial court, what error has it made in passing this order?
Yes, Your Honor. In
304 clause 1 lordship.
3041 punishment in 304 part 1, my lord. And Your Honor, kindly see the page number page number 121, Your Honor. In judgment, page number 121, paragraph 62.
You are for the victim, for the accused.
For the accused. Page number 62, para 62. And the last line is page number 122 or 122. In his order, Your Honor, learned court below has observed that hence the motive of the killing the disease to kill the disease is absent. The motive is not there, my lord. So he admitted during the CC, but motive has not yet not proved by the prosecution. So my humble prayer is, my lord, charges can be altered. 304 part 1 to 304 part 2. 304 part 2 is, Your Honor, culpable homicide not amounting to murder. There is no motive, there is no intention.
See, 1 into lordship, the punishment is same lordship, 10 years.
10 years.
But 10 years, but up to 10 years. In one, Your Honor, it is up to life imprisonment that is there. But punishment is a but
not amounting to murder shall be punished with imprisonment for life or imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 10 years and shall also be liable to fine. If the act by which the death is caused is done with the intention of causing death or by causing such bodily injury or is likely to cause death or with imprisonment of
Minimum punishment is
you have
already.
a 304, just give you something is missing here.
Also not that much elaborate lordship, only this much.
Something is missing.
Yes, lordship.
Huh?
Lordship, what am I understanding it, lordship? Here, lordship, intention lordship, that prosecution side could not lordship establish. But the lordship, here, lordship, as the accused is already admitted that lordship, yes, lordship. And moreover, lordship, that the honorable court has brought the attention that lordship, the disease lordship, its intention was there, that disease knows that she has lordship, lordship done that act, but after that also lordship, that victim was lordship, he let her dying for lordship.
No, his case is
yes, lordship.
that
intention lordship, he did not inform anyone, lordship.
he fell, she fell down. Then what happened is that he checked up, there was some breathing and all.
Yes, lordship.
So he went and started cooking for the
No, lordship, that next day, lordship, the whole night she was lying that way, lordship.
like that only.
Yes, lordship.
No, there is somebody who had come down.
PW1, Your Honor. Can you see the statement of
There was one lady who had come down.
The next day only, lordship, that the whole night she was lying that way, lordship.
No,
At the
can
main
you
time,
see
lordship,
the
if the
PW7?
accused lordship would have lordship informed the moment after that incident, that victim could have survived. But next day only when the lady come home, lordship, at that time that the accused, he ran away.
He ran away
Yes,
with a
lordship.
bicycle, then his sister and brother-in-law had meet him.
Yes, lordship. That's why
But-
there draws of intention, lordship, that he intensely, lordship, because maybe, lordship, not only, lordship, it caused injury to his body. He, lordship, the victim lordship, he died because strangulation lordship, and that is lordship forcefully he did. And lordship,
What are the
the posting,
conclusions? Where are the conclusions?
lordship conclusion, lordship in the page lordship, page 69 lordship
69 of the
lordship, the paper book 160, sorry, 160, 126 of para 69. Page 126. Here also, under the above facts and circumstances, I am of the view that although the offense is not covered under murder, but it cannot be ruled out that the accused was not having intention to kill the disease, as the accused had intentionally led the disease to die slowly from the night of the incident to next day of the incident at around 12 noon. Further assuming it for time being that if the accused had no intention also, but the act of the accused causing strangulation injury was sufficient to cause the death of disease, which was known to the accused that it was likely to cause the death of the disease. That's it, lordship. That's why lordship minimum punishment was given, lordship. The murder charge 302 was not given. This 304 part 2. Yes, lordship. Not part 1 also, part 2, which
No,
is
completely covers under first part.
yes, lordship. First
not
part,
the-
lordship. Yes, lordship. First part, lordship. That is, lordship, imprisonment for life or imprisonment for 10 years. Then the minimum 10 years was lordship.
Second one is also which may extend up to 10 years.
Yes, lordship.
Yes, my lord, that's
Same
why.
thing.
Same, lordship, almost same.
My lord, my humble submission is, since the
Because the victim was
intention is
died,
not
lordship.
proved,
Someone has died. That should be
intention is not
And
proved.
you
come
let
into
her die.
confession.
Yes.
You let her die.
The intention
fine.
is not proved. So my humble submission is, Your Honor, part 2, section 304, part 2, my lord. Your Honor, it can be altered, Your Honor. It can be altered, Your Honor,
What is the
and
basis?
it can be reduced, Your Honor.
What is the
Since,
basis? What is your basis here for that frame?
Your Honor, as per the order itself, it is reflected, Your Honor, that the intention of the accused person is not proved, Your Honor.
This
So it can be,
302 was not there.
altered, Your Honor.
But
So he is,
You allowed her to die.
no, my lord, I am
You
not
did
allowed
not
to.
look after her for the whole night. She was there only lying down.
My lord, I was in
Then you
influence
said
of the alcohol.
When the lady came in the morning, you went. By that time, her lips and all had turned black.
Till that he
my
already
lord-
died, lordship.
My lord, I was in the influence of alcohol at that night. So in the morning, Your Honor,
Where
when
is your 313?
Lordship 313, lordship.
66.
It's from lordship page, lordship 66, lordship. Yeah, lordship, in the page 67, lordship. Can you tell the incident was and how the disease died and what was your relationship with the disease? Here, lordship, the accused stated that it is fact that I had a physical intimacy with the disease and during the night of incident, the disease poured wine in my glass for which I lost my temper, insulted the victim by strangulate her neck. The incident took place in the night at around 9 p.m. and disease
She died in 12 noon.
Yes, lordship, 12 noon. That whole night, lordship, he was lying, he left her dying, lordship. Then that was the intention, lordship. Otherwise, he could have called someone or took her to medical hospital, but that was not there. So, lordship, the intention was very clear that although he was intoxication, but that was not the ground that he did not kill someone. Someone died, lordship, because of his act, because he strangulated her neck, and strangulation is an act of lordship causing someone to death, lordship, not simply injury. That intention is there to death, lordship, someone to cause death, to strangulate someone. Some neck, lordship, is a very delicate part, lordship, and we forcefully, if we, lordship, do that, then she might cause death, lordship. And the whole night she was lying that way.
my lord, This case is, Your Honor, based on the circumstantial evidence. There is no any eyewitness that I have
Your
speculated. Your
admission
Honor.
is there.
Yes, my admission is there, but
Somebody does not just go and catch a,
yes,
and that provocation you have not proved. Instant
Yes,
provocation. That is not
yes, there
proved.
is no provocation.
That you have not proved.
Only provoke, Your Honor, he pour wine in my glass, Your Honor. And
Normally, humble fair that lordship, the likely lordship, this minimum punishment has given lordship, and not it had be upheld lordship, no changes to be done lordship.
But heard Miss J. Doji, learned legal aid counsel representing the appellant, and Miss L. Agge, learned additional PP, appearing for the state respondents.
Lordship, here lordship also it comes lordship evidence as section 8 where the motive is there lordship. Where the motive preparation and previous consequent lordship. Because lordship preparation is there lordship because the when he caused the equivalent lordship that it might cause hurt. And the whole night she was
there? Head
Yes,
injury.
lordship. Yes, lordship.
Head injury was there. Because she fell down because of that force. Is there a head injury? No. Where is that medical ML?
MLC report is here lordship. Page 17 lordship.
This is of the accused.
Sorry. Postmortem report is also there 18 lordship, page 18.
No, it's okay. There is no injury on the head. And the postmortem conclusion is strangulation.
Yes, lordship. This page 20 lordship, the cause of death is strangulation and homicidal in nature lordship.
Page
Page 20 lordship.
20.
Yes, lordship. Opinion lordship.
Just
And lordship here lordship injury is there lordship page 19 lordship. The internet exemption head is scar finding intake this and brain finding is congested lordship. That is means some injury was there.
that is because that
And
he
multiple-
died by the time.
Yes, lordship.
Manual strangulation, homicide in nature. But the learned trial court proceeded to hold that there was no intention.
yes,
That's why lordship the 302 is not lordship.
Brought in.
Yes, lordship.
Okay, fine. We can, but so and so. Raised it to list this matter on Wednesday. For delivery importance. Yes, Mr. Tara, you wanted to say something?
No, I just taking because in this.
Oblige, sir.
360 CRPC will come or not, because person has gone to jail and is in the jail. I was listening to the discussion.
Anything more? When the unlisted comes, call me, I'll come back. 11:30 freedom. Huh?
Freedom in joy.
Right.